don't want to be a part of the noise. Sometimes I just want to be a part of frequency. Let me show you what I mean. Taking my hand and laying them on my legs facing up. Taking my head, tilting it so that when I look out of my eyes, because my eyelids will be closed, but my eyeball itself will be active. And that part of my eye will look out of my, what they call the third eye. However, so that's what I'm going to do while I have my eyes shut. Lift my head up, facing up. And then I'm just going to breathe in my nose into whatever either chakra or heart space that I feel like being. And lately, I have been breathing into my heart space because I have been learning that the heart and the whole entire body has and sheds the biggest frequency of your whole entire body. Maybe sometime in the future I'll explain what I mean by that, if you don't already know. So instead of me tapping into the noise, let's tap into frequency. So I just showed you that right there was quick, but it was the most invigorating thing that you can ever do to yourself. 3 simple breaths. Breathing in your nose, and I breathed into my heart space. I allowed for my body to feel the heartbeat. Relaxed. And then I breathed out. And I did it 3 times. That alone is rejuvenating. See, in order for you to slow down, in order for you to be still, you got to know what is it that you're doing. You got to understand the science behind it all. If you don't understand the science behind it all, it's just talk. Because you're not experiencing it. All you're doing is just hearing the noise that people are saying about what the experience is. But you are not experiencing it, so you cannot relate. And until you experience it, until it becomes your lifestyle, you won't ever be able to relate. Because frequencies are experiences. It's not gossip, it's not noise, it's not talk. It's an experience. And I want that for you. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Always practice self-love, self first, baby, at all times. Ciao.